good. The stuff, the naan and the butter chicken, so good. Hey guys, today we're at another Indian restaurant. Today we're at New Flavors of India in Artesia. So we've been here once before and it was the best Indian restaurant we've had so far. It was even better than the other one we vlogged, so it was a lot better actually. Okay, maybe we shouldn't say that because it sounds like we're bashing a restaurant, but this one's our favorite one so far. So this time we decided to vlog it and show you guys the food and how much it is and all of that good stuff.
As you can see, Indians everywhere.
Yep, there's an Indian store that is like right around the corner that we went to last time, and I felt like I was in India. I mean, I've never been to India, but I felt like I was in India. Like I was the only person there that wasn't Indian. So it was an experience.
So let's check it out. That's a place we're going to.
So here's the menu, guys. Oh, it looks like they do have a buffet. So we ordered the butter chicken, which is what we got last time, and we also got the chicken biryani, or did you get lamb?
Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
But I think I had the lamb biryani the first time we were here.
Okay. But yeah, everything's kind of pricey, but it's very worth it. I would definitely recommend it. If you've never had Indian food, this is the place to go if you're in Southern California.
And she would know that because she's Indian.
Yes, I have a lot of expertise, as you can see. I'm an albino Indian.
She's an albino Indian. I can't wait for the food.
Me too. I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Grab some water first.
This is the most Indian thing about the place, is the water. They actually infuse it with like Indian medicinal
Indian songs, Bollywood songs.
Yes.
Guys, I'm not sure how loud the audio is, but I'm sure you can hear the Indian Punjabi song being playing in the background. Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, but that isn't a Hindi movie. That's a North Indian Punjabi movie, I guess. Yeah,
That's something that I was so confused about, and I asked you about it. I was like, don't you guys have music videos to songs? And you're like, no, everything's from musicals, everything's from movies.
From movies, yeah.
Like everything. They don't just have regular music videos, which I think is interesting.
Yeah.
But I love musicals, so I love that.
So the first time we were here, guys, I tried the lamb biryani and the butter chicken, and it was mind-blowing. It was out of this world. It was really good. So my expectations right now are really high for what we've ordered. We ordered the chicken biryani and the butter chicken? Butter chicken and some naan. So let's see how that is. Bon appetit. Alright guys, so our food's here. That's the butter chicken and the rice with it, and the butter chicken, and that's the biryani.
Looks so good.
Alright guys, so let's see what Alyssa thinks of the biryani and the butter chicken.
So good. The stuff, the naan and the butter chicken, so good.
Alright guys, with all honesty, New Flavors of India, Artesia, California is the place you need to be if you like Indian food. Honestly, like we have eaten at some Indian places, but no other Indian place matches this place.
This is my favorite.
Free promotion for you guys. At times I feel that we need to be paid for these free promotions that we do. But guys, yeah, New Flavors of India, check it out.
If I get paid in Indian food, my life would be so good.
The food here just has this good savory flavor, you know, and I wouldn't be surprised as a food scientist if they added some flavor enhancers like disodium inosonate and disodium granulate. So yeah, like these flavor enhancers just don't have any flavors of their own, but when they're added to foods, you know, they just enhance that savory flavor that just feels so good in your mouth. It has an excellent mouth feel. Yeah, the food. Having said that, guys, no offense to any other Indian plates that we've had.
This is just the winner so far.
Yeah. Like New Flavors of India is like up there, and the other places, no name. I like I guess she's mixed everything. Like she's mixed the rice with the butter chicken.
I did. It's better
and
that
the
way.
biryani.
I'm a food mixer.
My plate's empty here. I think I'm gonna grab some butter chicken. And I'm gonna eat that with some naan because I tried the biryani already and that blew my mind as usual, as I was expecting it to be. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, yeah, they just enhance the savory flavor and it's so especially the butter chicken, it's creamy.
Aldrin, you're so cute. Hey, by the way, our what's it called again? Flavor enhancers.
Yeah,
are they bad for you?
No, they're not.
Oh.
Like studies has proven that they aren't hard. They aren't harmful to your health in any way, and they're just basically nucleotide molecules that are found in like fishes, animals, and fungi as well. And
Hey, why did the mushroom go to the party?
I don't know.
He was a fun guy.
That was a good one.
You never heard that before?
I think I must have now that you say it, but yeah. It didn't just hit me that you would say that.
The aftermath. Did you get it on your shirt?
I don't think so.
Usually I'm the one that gets it on my shirt.
All done, all good. Stomach's full. We're all set to go back.
Now we're going to the Indian store, right?
Probably, yeah.
Okay. To the Indian store. Woo! Okay, Aldrin. What's your rating?
11.5, 10.
Ooh, 11.5 out of 10. Pretty good. So we're gonna walk to the Indian store and get Rejoice some tea powder. Alright, I think that's what we're doing. Do a backflip.
Oh, Alyssa, I'm so parched right now.
Well, maybe you can
If only I
go
could drink some water.
to the water store. Do 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 do. Hey Aldrin, what's your biggest goal in life?
To just train hard, hit the gym every day, man. Just, maybe one day win Mr. India.
Mr. India? I don't know about that, but maybe you can go be Miss India.
I think that's pretty close.
Let's go.
Hey guys, look! Feliz! Feliz Navidad! It's Christmas season. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our video on another Indian restaurant, New Flavors of India.
We're building relationships.
Wag Bakri Chai. So if you're an Indian, you'll know this. Wag Bakri Chai. Hamesha rishte banaye.
Lion sheep. Building relationships. Aldrin, look, it's you. Tiger. He's showing off his muscles.
That isn't me, please. I'm way more muscular. Alright guys, so like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe.
More says that, right?
No, you accidentally said that in a video one time.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Alright, peace.
Bye.